Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming routers. And in particular, we'll be taking a closer look at the MSI RADIX AX6600-E Wi-Fi 6 tri-band gaming router. If you're in the market for a router that's not only easy to set up but can also handle multiple devices effortlessly, then you've come to the right place. Let's start with the unboxing experience. When you first open the box, you'll find the MSI RADIX AX6600-E router, along with all the necessary cables and a quick start guide. Setting up this router is a breeze, even for those who might not be tech savvy. Just follow the step-by-step instructions, and you'll be up and running in no time. Now, one of the standout features of this router is its ability to handle multiple devices simultaneously. In my household, we have 2 desktops and 2 laptops, and this router handles them with ease. Whether it's online gaming, streaming, or working from home, the MSI RADIX AX6600-E has got you covered. What sets this router apart is its tri-band functionality. It offers 3 separate bands for your devices to connect to. This means you can allocate different bands for different purposes. For instance, you can reserve one band for lag-free gaming, another for smooth streaming, and the third for your everyday web browsing and work-related tasks. This level of customization ensures that your network performs at its best, no matter what you're doing. Now, let's talk about a feature that really impressed me, the AI quality of service, or AI QoS for short. This feature automatically optimizes network traffic based on the applications you're using. It recognizes the demands of various online activities and prioritizes them accordingly. So, if you're in the middle of an intense gaming session and someone else in your household is streaming a 4K movie, you won't experience any frustrating lag spikes. MSI's AI QoS ensures that your network bandwidth is distributed intelligently. In conclusion, the MSI RADIX AX6600-E Wi-Fi 6 tri-band gaming router is a fantastic choice for gamers and anyone looking for a router that can handle a busy household with multiple devices. Its easy setup, tri-band functionality, and AI QoS make it a top contender in the gaming router market. If you want a reliable and high-performance router that won't let you down, I highly recommend considering the MSI RADIX AX6600-E. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming!